Good morning, car people of this world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. Today we have a massive fun trip planned. Well, it's not massive, but we're driving to North Jersey to go to one of the biggest car shows of the year, which is the last car show of the year. The amount of cars that are already confirmed for this show is really unbelievable. So we got a 2-hour road trip and then we got to pick up gas too, but that will be earlier than the rest. Got a full tank of gas and we're cruising at 80. Now for the long treacherous hike down the highway to the car show. I'll let you know if I see anything cool along the way, but as for now we got red Siennas. Oh, we got a McLaren 720 that almost lost control. GT3, we got some more stuff coming up. There's another one. Wow, I hope I got that 720 almost losing control. Beautiful day out here. We are about 2 minutes out. Can't wait to get there. Wow, look at that house. That is beautiful. Parked up on the lawn. Lexus is looking fire. Got the first F8 of the day next to the second one way down there. It's safe to say it's gonna be a pretty good day. You got the Rolls Royce and the Ferrari 488 Pista. Can't wait to get in there and see the rest of these cars. Like I said, we got some insane hypercars coming. Not gonna tell you what they are yet because you're just gonna have to find out and see. But the backdrop to this place is what's so cool. I actually brought my drone hoping maybe I can fly it, not too sure. But it's back to a lake, which is really sweet. Look at this Spec STO. Gray with the blue. Looks insane. And through the crowded cars, look what we found, the 720 that almost lost it on its way here. Next to the STO with the red instead of the blue that we got sitting over there. And the green Ultimate as well. Special display cars. I haven't paid anything yet, and I think I'm supposed to at some point, but we'll see. Look at this backdrop. This is so cool.
These cars are built for the track, but like to a degree. And I really like it too. What's your show running track?
What did I tell you guys? Check it out, the Huayra Roadster. Oh man. Incredible. This is one of the many cars that will be insane here at today's show. We got the green Ultimate pulling right behind it. This is going to be crazy. This show is insane. I cannot get over the backdrop, which all of these cars, I mean, it just complements them all so well. This is crazy. You get the NSX, the 240Z. I mean, there's just such a variety here. This R8 and the Diablo right here. This is sweet. With the gated manual and the dirty carpet. Love it. Thing looks so good. Check out this green Ultimate we got here. Love the orange decals, orange pinstriping with the carbon fiber. Such an impressive spec. Started drizzling for a second, the Pagani is already gone. I do not blame them for that, but let's go try to find it. This is also concerning me because I feel like these other hypercars are not gonna pull up. A 430 Scuderia engine bay, absolutely incredible. Imagine trying to change those spark plugs in there. Crazy. Here we've got the Ferrari 16M Scuderia with the regular Scuderia in the background. Check this thing out. I've never seen one of these before. Incredible car. Take a quick look at this Aventador right here on HREs. This thing is so loud when he came rolling in. Definitely not a stock exhaust. Can't wait to hear that thing start up. I was talking to the owner of this Aston Martin right here. This is a 6-speed manual V12. There's only 50 of these in the world, not with the V12 or manual, but this is the carbon edition. So there's small carbon bits on the car, which make it such a rare spec. Quite cool. I hear a V12 roaring out here. Let's see what we got. Counting on an Aventador. I am correct. We got an Aventador 720 and an i8. Come and take a look what's out on the street. Got another Scuderia coming in right here. Oh my goodness. No way the Pagani left and this dude's coming in. Wow, an Sp1 Monza just rolled up in the rain. What a crazy car. Just pulled the Sp1 Monza into the tent because it's raining. We're gonna take a look at it in a little bit after the crowd dissipates. I have to come take a look at this LC500. Check this out. This is just parked up on the side of the street here with the white interior. LT pulling up. Monza doesn't have too many people around it now. Sp1 Monza. Crazy. R34 even in the rain, baby. Sweet. Look at this. I have never even heard of this thing before. Being trailered in. Aztec. What the heck? Wacky stuff. Carrera GT snuck right by me, didn't even see it pull in. Wow, we've seen this car a couple times before. It's always incredible to see it again. CGT. Wow. This is cool as well. This is the Ford RS200 rally car. Very neat. This thing sounds incredible pulling in. Crazy. You can't imagine driving this thing on the street. There's just nothing quite like the Aventador. Incredible. The Aztec is back and off the trailer. Literally just saw this thing leave. Here it is again. This thing is wild looking. I've never even heard of this thing in my life. Wacky looking. Two things before we gotta get out of here because it's dumping rain. I am like soaked right now. Number one, we have my boy Ron coming by in his Aventador SV. Just met him, talked to him, really cool guy. He's a business owner, he started it, he's owned it for 40 years. Really cool, inspirational story, and now he has the Lamborghini Aventador SV. Ron, if you're watching this, I know you're not, but congratulations, pleasure meeting you. Number two, the Sp1 Monza in there. People are sitting in it. There's been more than 2 people who have sat in it. So I think I have to see if by any way I can be able to sit in an Sp1 Monza. That'd be incredible. Well, there goes Ron. Now, let's go see if we can get into this Sp1 Monza. Wish me luck. Oh shoot, the Carrera GT is leaving. Never mind, we'll wait. Unfortunately today, it's going to be a no-go. This guy's going to be sitting here for quite a while due to the rain, and I can't sit in it. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Anyway, great show today. Despite the rain, I am truly impressed with how many hypercars and supercars pulled up. There were supposed to be 2 Ferrari LaFerraris that did not show up, but hey, always a great day with the Carrera GT and plenty other great cars to go around. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.